already, then they realize they can do 1030 exchange.
As long as within 45 days, still can do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, as long as within the 45 days from the closing day. From the closing day, maybe still can do it. All right. Personal use. The bad thing for personal use is usually for personal use property we incur loss. Is that true? For example, your textbook. Right? If you purchase the brand new textbook, you spend $200, and by the time you sell it $2, so you incur $198 lost plus shipping. You cannot deduct from the tax. For any personal use, no deduction, so it's gone. Like your personal primary residence, you spend any money for repair, the leaking, for painting, recarpeting, anything. Probably recarpeting you can put in as a basis, I don't know. But anything for repair is gone. Every dollar, every penny you put in for cleaning, you know, is all gone. So personal use that may be the worst, maybe the worst. Okay. The final is the inventory, as I say, inventory. The inventory eventually, I did not put on here originally because inventory eventually is not really under this property disposition topic. It's more like a business transaction. When we talk about financial accounting, we will talk about inventory because if everybody you took accounting before on the balance sheet, how come inventory is different from property? I know they both under the assets, but they are under the different assets category. Anybody know which assets the inventory belong to? Current assets. It's called current assets. And usually the property subject to 3 years, 5 years, 7 years depreciation is fixed assets. And when we say current, when we say fixed, they really mean how easily you can convert it into the cash. How easily you can convert these assets into cash. And inventory is almost equivalent to as cash. Usually when the merchant purchase inventory, their intention is to resell it very quickly. So as long as the property is classified as your inventory, there is no capital gain issue. It's a regular, ordinary income. So the worst case is just like we discussed. For some people, they purchase the bank-owned property very often. Doesn't matter under your individual or under your corporation. And I don't know. There's a guideline under the IRS. I believe if you've done this, how many? Probably like 10 or 12 per year, and you will be qualified as a dealer. So even you hold this property more than 1 year plus 1 day, the IRS say, oh, this is your inventory. So even you hold 1 year plus 1 day, however you've done this very frequently, the IRS say you are a dealer. So whatever the money you earn become your ordinary income.